Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I want to share a key of health with you. If you use it well, you can unlock many potential health benefits. So without further ado, let's talk about garlic. Garlic has amazing medicinal properties, but what really determines whether you are getting the medicinal properties of garlic or simply its taste is how you use it. Throughout ancient history, the use of garlic was mainly for its medicinal and health properties. Garlic has far-ranging health benefits for our body. It's highly nutritious. It contains manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, fiber, calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamin B1. That's quite a lot packed in a tiny clove. Garlic helps boost the immune system. It is great for cardiovascular health. It can help reduce blood pressure. It prevents clogging of the arteries, ensuring proper blood flow. It decreases inflammation in the body. It is the inflammation which causes damage in the body, including the plaque that forms in the arteries. Once the plaque is removed from the arteries and the blood flows freely through the arteries, the blood pressure will reduce. Garlic reduces the risk of strokes. Garlic can lower the bad cholesterol while maintaining good cholesterol, and you need that good cholesterol as it plays some very important roles in your body. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage, which means it may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic also helps balance glucose levels in the bloodstream. Garlic was one of the earliest performance-enhancing substances. It was used in the ancient cultures to reduce fatigue and enhance the work capacity of laborers. And actually, it was given to Olympic athletes in ancient Greece. Garlic is a pretty common food item, and if it is all this great, how come these diseases are so common? The secret lies in how you use the garlic. The best way to use the garlic is to chop, grate, or crush it at least 5 minutes before you use it. The reason is simple. If you put a garlic bulb to your nose, can you smell it? No, but once you cut it, the smell comes. This is due to an enzyme called allinase, which converts alliin in garlic to allicin. It is the allicin which holds the medicinal secrets of garlic, and it is the allicin which causes the garlic smell that people either hate or love. When you first chop the garlic, that allicin is unstable. It takes 5 to 10 minutes for allicin to be stabilized and to fully reach its medicinal and healing capacity. Consuming this matured allicin is what is going to give your cardiovascular system the boost it needs to help clear the clogged arteries and lower blood pressure. Recent studies done on COVID patients who have developed complications noticed that these patients had large blood clots in their lungs. Doctors are discussing whether a small dose of aspirin should be recommended to avoid this clotting. Garlic and its components are known to possess antiplatelet activity, so taking raw garlic can potentially help those who may develop COVID. So what happens when the garlic is cooked? You can still cook the garlic after leaving it aside for 5 to 10 minutes, but you have to know that heat will kill some of those good enzymes, and you will not get all the goodness of garlic. So if you want to use garlic for medicinal purposes, it is best to use it raw or add towards the very end of your cooking so it is not exposed to too much heat. Garlic supplements are another option for people who just can't handle the taste or smell of garlic but want to benefit from its medicinal properties. Or you can mix the chopped or grated garlic with some honey and take it as is. If that is too intense for you, you can mix 2 minced garlic cloves, which have been sitting for 5 to 10 minutes to activate the allicin, with a small amount of grated ginger, 1 fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey in a cup of warm water and drink. This tea can work as a tonic for your whole body. The allicin can do miracles for your cardiovascular system and give your immune system a great boost. I hope you benefited from the video. Please don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you shortly. Take care. Bye-bye.